Good morning to all the teachers, coordinators, juniors and my friends. I am Dhansuva Rai from grade 10 A1 in front of you today for today news. Let's start with the international news. The Nepal Tourism Board reports an exceptional milestone with over 1.6 million international visitors arriving in the past, led by trekking in Pokhara and cultural tourism across Kathmandu Valley. The average length of stay has increased scientifically, lifting per capita disposable income. During the current monsoon, Nepal total installed hydropower generator capacity has been officially scaled to a record 4,300 megawatt. The NEA reports strong cross-border export channels trading surplus green energy to India and Bangladesh, paving the path of long-term energy leadership. Now the international news. An unprecedented summer heat wave shatters records across France, Spain and Germany, pushing urban temperatures above 41 degrees Celsius. Climate scientists emphasize this is a critical signal for rapid worldwide ecosystem safeguard. Now the sport news. Today, Portugal has won against Croatia with a 3-1 point, leading the part to the round of 16 with Spain. And from today match, legendary midfielder Lucas Modric has also ended his last dance and career. Now the weather forecast. It will be rainy and the max temperature will be 31 degrees Celsius and the lowest will be 24 degrees Celsius. The thought of the day. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it from you. Finally, at the last word of the day, courage. It means the ability to do something when you feel afraid, be brave even when things are difficult. Courage helps you to grow stronger every day. Thank you.